Anchorage serves as a logistical hub for countless Alaskan adventures. From here, roads, railways, and smaller air services branch out like arteries, carrying explorers to the national parks, glaciers, and remote towns that dot the map. It is a place of preparation and anticipation, yet Anchorage is more than just a staging ground. One of the city's most beloved features is the Tony Knowles Coastal Trail. The city is also a center for Alaska's indigenous heritage. The Alaska Native Heritage Center is essential, a living museum. Walk through traditional dwellings, witness storytelling, and witness dance performances. Downtown, the Anchorage Museum blends art, history, and science, piecing together Alaska's complex identity. Daily life in Anchorage is a unique dance with the dramatic cycles of light and darkness. Long, dark winters demand resilience and inward focus. Anchorage becomes a city of lights. The city's infrastructure is a marvel of adaptation, like Lake Hood, which seamlessly transitions from a water runway to an ice runway. Amidst the diverse fabric of Anchorage, the local Muslim community provides a compelling story of faith and adaptation. Practicing their religion involves unique challenges, particularly concerning prayer times and fasting during the extreme daylight variations of summer and winter. The mosque becomes a vital hub for connection where families gather for community iftars, reinforcing the bonds that help them thrive. Their story is a powerful microcosm of the larger Alaskan narrative, one of perseverance, ingenuity, and the creation of a strong, supportive community. Leaving Anchorage behind, our journey takes us into the heart of Alaska's immense wilderness. Denali National Park and Preserve, home to North America's highest peak, the mountain creates its own weather systems. To catch a glimpse of its sunlit summit is an unforgettable, humbling experience. There is only one road. To venture deep into the park, one must board a bus, a shared journey of discovery.